Two powerful ways to simplify life and belongings. In this video, I'm going to share the two most important keys of simplifying and why simplifying is critical to inner growth and success. And by following them, I have learned to create more space in my home for healthy movement and have more time in my life to spend with people I value and my passion projects that I want to do to make an impact on the world. Hi there! If you are new to this channel, I am Simple Vegan Being, who over decades have now learned the art of simplifying and living a healthy and fully aware life. This is the first video of the upcoming series, How I Simplified My Life. I wanted to create this series to share the valuable lessons I have learned towards simplifying my physical life and consequently my life in general. Each week I share an area of my home and my personal belongings to showcase how I have simplified to create Zen. I share this series with you because I want to provide something of value that you can take with you and grow positively into your own beautiful Zen state of being. How I simplified my life is a journey that I naturally went through over many years and not overnight. What are the two golden rules to simplifying? To me, this boils down to 1. The removal of excess, and 2. The removal of complicated. Now, each individual's tolerance level to excess and complications in life is different. Keeping that in mind, when I first started to remove just what I found to be excess or complicated, I started to simplify. Over a period of time, my tolerance for excess and complicated reduced significantly. Now I have a very limited tolerance for excess or complications, such that I have naturally gravitated towards few physical possessions, but meaningful and, can I stress, functional physical possessions. I realized that the reduction of my physical belongings was starting to reflect on how much more simple I was actually living. I now have a minimal but very functional and aesthetically pleasing set of clothing and shoes that are so easy to clean, maintain, keep looking good in a now spacious closet. I also waste less money and time shopping for clothes I used to just end up donating. By simplifying my clothes, I ended up cutting out meaningless activities to me that only wasted time, money, and made me feel sick the next day. For example, partying for the sake of partying out late. I started to gravitate more towards waking up early over the weekends and going out hiking to immerse myself in the healing powers of nature. This also led to eliminating my excess gadgets that were lying around the house that I just no longer used and was adding to toxic landfill. I no longer was stuck indoors over my precious weekends hooked to a screen in a very unhealthy posture. These are just a few small but significant examples. Why follow these two golden rules? Murphy's Law. If something can go wrong, it will go wrong. What this means is, the more I own and have in my life, the more stressful and complicated life becomes. That's because each item can be complicated and as a consequence can and will go wrong. Even sometimes the most simplest of things will go wrong and requires time and attention. Time and attention I may not have as I have too many items and things going on in my life. Therefore, the less I have, the better. The more simple I have, the better. Less time and attention dedicated and wasted. I keep only what truly adds value towards my inner growth in life. By growing my inner self, I am less destructive in general as a human being, and additionally, if I am centered, I can even aid in the reducing of suffering of others. Here are some questions I ask myself when simplifying. Is the item functional, useful in my life? Does this item fulfill a critical need in my life? What is this critical need in my life that this item fulfills? If it is complicated, it will go wrong. Can this item go wrong? If it does go wrong, am I willing to fix it, replace it, and most importantly, landfill it? Is the pleasure I derive from that item worth the pain, stress, and time, which is precious life energy? Does it serve a purpose, or is it just aesthetically pleasing, or an emotional belonging that is holding onto a memory from the past? Do I need to let go and move on in life to new, fulfilling experiences? These are the questions I ask myself every time I want to simplify my home, life, experiences, and yes, even people. I don't mean that in a cruel way, but rather in a realistic way of, if I only have so much time in life, how can I do the most to reduce the suffering of others? In summary, the two most critical steps to simplifying are: remove excess, remove complicated, bonus, strictly keep only what is functional, because Murphy's Law. If something can go wrong, then it will, so why have more than what I truly need, right? In next week's upcoming video, I showcase simplification in my home office and how this is vital to simplifying my life. I hope to see you there. So what excess or complications are you eliminating from your life this week? Please do let me know in the comments below. If you found this content useful, then please like, comment, subscribe, and feel free to share this video with your friends and family. It would really help more people interested in simplifying life to find this video. Wishing you a great week ahead, and as always, plant strong, animal love, and planet peace.